Hi travel bugs, it's me, Simply Sherry, helping you stay organized and savvy while traveling. If you need to get organized before, during, and after travel, whether it's for a road trip, for business, or an international flight, then hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you're notified for my next how-tos and tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how I packed my carry-on luggage for a 6-day trip to Iceland. I work from home, so 2 days of the trip was for work, a day of travel, and then 3 days for personal vacation. This is a Heritage Travelware carry-on. The dimensions are 22 inches high with the wheels, 14 inches wide, and 9 inches deep. This is a Pom Pom ID. It's in Fiesta Light. I'll put the links to these products in the description box below. When you open the bag, it looks like this. And I like to keep the toiletries bag, any tech accessories, and my camera bag up on top here, not in this section where it's enclosed with a zipper, so that it's easily accessible. When I'm going through security, I just grab the bags and put it on the conveyor belt like this. And then I always use packing cubes. I like to use the strap to keep it in. And most packing cubes, no matter what brand, has a large size that fits in the standard size carry-on suitcase. So this fits perfectly in here, and then I just take it out and then I put my clothes away when I get to the hotel or Airbnb. This packing cube is from GoNext, and it has a breathable mesh part right there in the center. You can open it like this, and I do like to roll my clothes. So this is my puffy vest. This was a must to bring when I went to Iceland, and it's just a puffy vest. That week that I was there, the tour guide said it was really unusual for it to be sunny every single day, so we lucked out as far as the weather, or I lucked out. And I wore this everywhere. The thing that I didn't wear was this Lululemon kind of cargo workout pants. So for my dinner for work, which was a Sunday night, I just had these skinny black pants, and then I wore this long sleeve black top. Now the weather said it was 45 degrees, but I tell you, I'm from Arizona. It was cold. It was windy the whole time, all day long. And then this was for my business meeting on Monday. Then on Tuesday I moved from the hotel to the Airbnb, and I just wore my yoga pants. All right, my go-to yoga pants, and I wore the t-shirt that I wore when I was on the plane. Then the second day, which was a Wednesday, second day of touring, that was my 11-hour tour around the Golden Circle. I wore this blue long sleeve like athleisure wear. It has a hoodie with my puffy jacket, and then also the jacket I brought and my yoga pants. And then on the way on that tour, I went to the La Fontana Spa, so I had my swim cover up like this. If you want to see that video where I showed my personal carry-on item, that's the same bag I used to put my swim stuff in there. And then here's my swimsuit. So that was for the day of touring. Going to Iceland and from Iceland, I wore the same pants. These are casual linen type pants from Target, and I wore this t-shirt on the way there, and then this gray t-shirt on the way back. I did carry this jacket with me everywhere. It's an Anorak Jacket I got from Amazon. It's really nice, and I like it because of the different pockets, and it is rainproof, and it has a hoodie. And I wore these shoes on the plane and during my business dinner and meeting. In this pocket, I like to keep my travel Riesenthal laundry bag. It has a clip there, a snap there. It's very lightweight, it holds a lot, and then it opens up like this. In this enclosed section, I have more packing cubes, and the reason I like packing cubes is I like to use them as kind of a liner inside the drawer. Most of the drawers in the hotel or Airbnb don't have anything on it, and They don't clean the inside of that drawer, or maybe they do. I like this because it has a handle also. So I just grab it from my bag and put it in the drawer. This one has an extra bra and underwear. This is a laundry bag that came with the packing cubes, and I just have my gym shoes in here. Now I brought gym shoes instead of those pretty walking shoes because we were going to Goldfoss and the different parts of the Golden Circle, so you know the terrain is a little bit rocky, but it was doable. So I didn't bring my full-on hiking boots. And then this one has my hairbrush. This is a jade yoga towel. It's 24 inches by 72 inches. I like it a lot because it saves space and it's super absorbent. This is what I brought to the La Fontana Wellness Spa. My friend forgot to pick me up for the airport, so last minute I grabbed an Uber and I forgot to get my hat and my gloves, and so I ended up buying these in Iceland. This was just from a regular supermarket, and then this ended up being my souvenir, and I love it actually, and I wore it the whole time except that one last day when I was on my way to the airport. I definitely needed this. I saw most people wearing gloves and hats, so I think pretty much wherever you were from, it was cold enough to have to wear this at least at one point during the day, so I highly suggest bringing this even in the early month of June. I hope you got some ideas on how to pack, especially for your trip to Iceland. I absolutely loved my trip there. If you want any of the items in this video, check out the description box below. And if you want a free PDF on how to pack your suitcase in 5 simple steps, click the link. Happy travels, and I'll see you in the next one.